Namaskar. Ghee holds a special place in our culture. It is something our dadis, nanis fed us so that we grew up healthy. In Ayurveda, it is considered a sattvic food, bringing clarity to the mind and peace to soul. However, in recent time, there has been a growing concern over the adulteration of ghee available in the market. As reports have surfaced, compromise quality of even reputed brands, it has left many of us feeling disheartened. But there is a solution. Make ghee at home. When you prepare ghee in your kitchen, you take full control of its purity and its quality. Homemade ghee is not only free from harmful chemicals and colors, but it is also infused with your love and positive energy, making it more potent both nutritionally and spiritually. The other benefit is that homemade ghee retains all its essential nutrients, making rich in vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are important for immunity, bone health, and overall well being. Freshly made ghee has a richer aroma and a deeper, more satisfying taste compared to stored bought versions. It is also economical, especially if you have good quality of milk with you. Here's how you can make pure ghee at home.
Get a healthy cow's milk, boil milk with a slow fire, and once it is boiled and cool down completely, cream will come up. Remove the cream. Every day you would be doing this and you would be collecting cream. Once you have sufficient cream, then you put little curd in that at night, and next day morning start churning it. And little churning will bring the butter up. This white butter has to be boiled on fire. It should be slow fire, and slowly this butter will convert into a liquid, which is nothing else but ghee, and a very good ghee.
Allow it to cool before you seal the jar. Your pure homemade ghee is ready to use. Store it in an airtight container at a room temperature, and it will remain fresh for months. Now that ghee is ready, let me teach you the method how to make Tirupati Laddoo with pure ghee. Here is an easy recipe to recreate a holy prasad at home using pure homemade ghee. The ingredients are 1 cup besan or gram flour, half cup pure ghee, 1/4 cup powdered or grated jaggery, 2 tablespoons cashews chopped, 2 tablespoons raisins, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of edible camphor. It is optional, but it will create an aroma of that temple laddu. Now let's understand how to make these laddus. In a heavy bottom pan, heat the pure ghee on low heat. Add the besan and roast it slowly, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Roast until the besan turns into golden brown and gives rich nutty aroma. This will take 10-15 minutes. Once the besan roasted, add chopped cashew and raisins and roast for another 2-3 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool down slightly. Now add the powdered jaggery, cardamom powder, and an edible camphor. Camphor is optional. Mix everything well. Once the mixture is cool enough to handle, means it is quite warm, take some small portion and shape them into laddu by rolling them between your palms. If the mixture looks too dry, you can add a little warm ghee to help bind the laddus. Let the laddus cool completely before serving. You can store them in an airtight container up to a week. These homemade Tirupati laddus made with pure ghee bring the divine taste of temple, which is right at your own home. By making ghee at home, you can ensure that your family is safe from harmful adulterated ingredients. Okay? So you are giving them a valuable gift of that sweet and joy, and automatically the mind would be peaceful positive and joyful. So try and maintain that joy throughout the day and throughout the month. Look at it, do it, and enjoy that. Namaskar.